Hi everyone, I so appreciate all of you stopping in today. I have a favorite, and this is the AIA Beauty Bundle. This is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. And this, while open the box, I just literally slit the tape. This is a monthly subscription box that is $38. I think we get free shipping. I don't know if we pay tax or not, honestly. By the time I look at my credit card statement, I'm like, do we pay tax on that? I honestly don't think so. And this started back September of 2021, becoming a monthly box. It used to be bi-monthly. You have access to new brands or influencers each month, so you have basically a box takeover, one brand in each box. I do enjoy that. I can try more from a specific brand instead of just trying one item here and then 4 months later, oh, we get another one. Try that. So I do like that when any box is like a takeover, and this is a takeover every month. Value of at least $100 in each box, and they do donate $1 from each box purchased to charity. And the card this month is right here, and this is REN Skincare. We do get a little description and pricing, which I appreciate. Inside of the box, be strong, be beautiful, be you. I think something every single one of us, male or female, should strive for. And here's the products in the box. I know there was some, we'll start with this one, this product here, and this is the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Now, I have had this multiple times and do enjoy this. I currently have one in my skincare basket that I use, and they're saying this is not full size. It is. This is full size. So like I said, the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream, I will open it and show you. And I did compare, look at the other sizes, and I did quick sneak a peek into this so I could verify that this was the product that everyone was talking about. And it's right here. It has like a little pump, which is nice. I like that versus having to put your fingers in anything. So this is a full-size product, and value is $51. A brightening eye cream specifically formulated to limit irritation and subtle for sensitive skin that instantly brightens even skin tone, hydrates, lifts, and visibly improves firmness. Eye cream has been clinically proven to reduce the appearance of dark circles in 7 days, and it really does work if you're consistent with it. I do tend to get very dark under my eyes when I don't feel well, which is a lot of times with my back. You know, if I'm tired and just, all, like everybody else, we're all tired. But I find that this doesn't remove them, but it does brighten up enough that I don't use concealer. So, I mean, and I am fine with that. I mean, yeah, could it be brighter if I use concealer? But I don't. So this works fine. And I wanted to show you, I have my phone, that it is full size. Let me see, where did I see that? Right towards the top up here. And I'll kind of point to it right here. It says 15 ml, and that's the size of this package right here. And that says 15 ml. So this is full size. I know people were like, oh, we're getting sample sizes. No, that's a full size under eye. You need like a pea size amount that probably will cover both under eyes. You don't need a ton of serum. For anybody's serum. So if you get a big thing of serum like this, it's going to last you a lifetime. So that is $51. Cruelty-free, fragrance-free, made with recycled plastic. It's vegan. Let me just say, I think that's it. But I wanted to share that because I know a lot of people were saying that that's, it's sample, deluxe sample. No, that is full size. So since I pulled this out, we'll do this next. This is a gentle cleansing gel, and this says Evercalm on it. That's a big size, 150 ml. $37. Ooh, the print is so small. A facial wash that cleanses. Hopefully it's a face wash. Kind of dumb. calms and comforts sensitive or stressed skin in a single step with a non-drying or stripping formula that helps maintain skin's moisture level. Very important. If they strip and dry your skin, get rid of them. You're doing your skin a disservice. And soothing bioactives to help strengthen the protective skin barrier. Massage on and rinse off to reveal a fresh feeling complexion. Better soothe from the key signs of did that make it better? Better soothe from the key signs of sensitivity. I don't know if that makes sense, does it? Now presented in a recycled plastic tube that's been designed to be recyclable in line with our zero waste pledge. Smooths and balances. Oh, these probably all have seals on them. Yeah, they all have seals. I mean, that's a big tube. For us, we don't really use an ml here in the States, but it's 5.1 ounces. So that's a good size. Let's do this right here. What are we? Another cleanser. Gentle cleansing gel. And this is clean jelly oil cleanser. Okay, I do like an oil cleanse. Oh, and that first cleanser was $37. This also is $37. Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. This says, a 3-phase gentle oil-based cleanser proven to remove waterproof makeup, SPF, and pollution. This gives you a deep clean without stripping your skin of essential moisture. The hydrating formula evolves while you cleanse, starting as a jelly and transforming to an oil and then a milk. Oh, okay. To gently melt away dirt, makeup, pollution for a soft, clean finish. Okay, I'm excited about that. That's really nice. What do we have here? Right here. And this is $20. This is Ready, Steady, Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This is 100 ml. This is 100 ml. Okay, so let's see what tonic is. $20. A skin resurfacing AHA facial toner. Why does it say tonic? This is a toner. Okay. Delivering 7 benefits in one. 100% recycled bottle that exfoliates, brightens, lightens, and hydrates for a smooth, even, and energized complexion, whilst being gentle enough for daily use. Okay. So that's basically like a toner or a tonic type thing. I have not tried anything like that from them, so I'll be more than happy. Let me get rid of this box off of here to give that a try. And then the last product is the Global Protection Day Cream. Where are you at? Oh, I see. Global Protection. $50. This is a best-selling day cream specifically formulated for dry, sensitive, or stressed skin that delivers daily defense from signs of sensitivity by helping to calm and protect the skin against dehydration and protects against free radicals. This is 50 ml or 1.7 ounces. Let's see. Oh, see, I like when they do this. So this is the bottle right here. I so prefer a pump. One pump gets you the right amount. You don't need to overdo it, even with skincare. I don't think that's a bad bundle. Like I said, I do enjoy REN Skincare. I think I only have 2 products from them. I know I've tried this. I'm not sure what else I've tried. I don't think I've tried any of these products, but since I have my phone here, let's do some pricing to see what value we have. So that's, which, you know, is going to be pretty good. And then 2 more products plus this. So here, this is the highest box that I've seen in a long time. $195 value. I do think normally they're not that high. For value-wise, I'm not angry at that at all. Like I said, this will be a backup because I already have one in use. And I think that's the second one because we usually get this in like Boxy or Ipsy. And that's how I found it. I would have never heard of REN Skincare. I would have had to get this box and been like, okay. I love my Murad toner. Honestly, I love that the best. But I'll be more than willing to give this a try. I'm not, you know, we haven't had, did we have skincare in a while? We might have had skincare recently. I want them to get back to some more decent makeup. And I would love to see some kind of a nail care box where we get some like bougie-ish nail polish and just that kind of stuff. Cuticle oil, things I think that most of us could use. I don't know how well others would take to that kind of box, but I would love like a good brand, not, you know, Sally Hansen, which there's nothing wrong with Sally Hansen. I have some Sally Hansen products, non-nail polish, you know, to help restore. And, you know, I have cuticle oil, and I have some of those like almost like nail care products, not actual polish. But give us a decent brand and give us some good stuff to go along with it. So that's my AIA for September 2022. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get this box? Did you skip? I know a lot of you, you know, you don't like something, you know, you skip and you go right to the next month, which that's your choice. And, you know, you do you. I don't skip boxes. Unless if this was something that like we just got a whole big bundle of, yeah, I might consider, like, you know, if they were doing keys, I'd be like, no, thank you. I have most of the products she has put out. So then I probably would skip. But I might not, because I might then do a giveaway. So, you know, they're great products. So that would be like the only way that I would be like, like I did skip my ex because I got it in Ipsy PR. So why did I want to pay $58, $60 when I just got it? So, you know, I did skip that. But I don't know if I'm going to continue getting the X. The brand is really going to have to knock my socks off for me to continue that. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on this company, not to digress on another brand. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I will see all of you in my video tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.